I'm Josh Anderson with the InData project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana. And here's a tech tip caught from our trip to ATIA in 2026.
Hi, I'm Cheryl from LVI-American, and we want you to know that we have entered into a partnership with a company called InsideVision out of France. The company manufactures Braille devices, and they are Windows-based Braille devices. So instead of thinking about it as a Braille note taker or a Braille display, you can think about it as a Braille computer. I'll introduce you to Eric. Eric is our partner out of France, and he can do a demonstration of the devices.
Hi everybody, my name is Eric from InsideVision company, a French company. I'm the export manager of this company, and I'm going to introduce you to new exciting devices called InsideOne Plus and InsideSUPRA. Both devices are running the Windows 11 software. Okay, first, let me show you the InsideOne Plus. So the InsideOne Plus is a full Windows 11 Home Edition or Pro Edition PC with 32 cells at the bottom, and also what we call the transcription bar just above at the bottom of the screen that gives you the exact translation of each Braille cell. We have also specific features. You see on the right side a vertical slider, on the left side another one, and we have also a toggle button above and a long slider just above the cells. This long slider is for replacing the mechanical routing cursors, so that means when you want to highlight something, you double tap, you just go above the cell, the double tap. On the right side, this is the arrow keys. You swipe up and down and you cross through left and right, right and left, and you can also validate by double tapping also in the slider. And the left one here is also for knowing the Braille table you are in, output and input. And a very exciting thing is for the sighter that don't know Braille, you just put your finger for 5 seconds and you see the QWERTY keyboard. So now it's a full standard touch tablet. When I want to close the keyboard, I just swipe from top to bottom and I'm back in Braille mode. So let me show you how it works. So I'm on the desktop. I want to swipe to go, for example, to Notepad. I can do this up and down. By the way, it speaks because you can run either NVDA or JAWS for the screen readers. When I come to the right app, I just double tap. Or if I know the letter, I know by activating the keyboard with 6 fingers, you hear a small boop. You have a purple pictogram telling the sighter that now you have the keyboard on, and I just type the first letter to come the right app, W as Wi-Fi. And then you can double tap anywhere on the screen as long as the keyboard is not active, or you double tap on the right slider. And that's it. You have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 2 cameras, and a full i7 processor with 16 gigs of RAM. Everything in all-in-one. Okay, then we move to the InsideSUPRA. The InsideSUPRA also made a full machined aluminum like the InsideOne Plus, but you see, of course, that you have no built-in screen. I've connected an external display for the show. So you have also the i7 at the 16 gigs, SSD 256, 512 or 1 terabyte, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth as well. You see we have also this 32 cells. We have mechanical routing cursor this time. We have the panning keys, left and right, also with combination with the first and the second routing cursor, the 31st and the 32nd at the end, to go to the beginning or to the end of the document or on the line. You see we have the physical Braille keyboard. Instead of a long slider, we have on the right side a joystick, so you can move up and down, left and right, and double tapping by validating something. And then we have 8 function keys above the Braille keyboard. From left to right, we have Escape, Tab, Shift Tab, Windows, Control, and then we have Alt, Contextual menu, and Insert. And last one above the first function key is the toggle button. Except that it's a full PC like the InsideOne Plus.
Well, that's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the InData Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.